Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get solo action in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, we'll need the solo action to greet our friends in Heartopia. You can click on this menu to open up the action. And here I have 6 solo actions that I can use to greet my friend. For example, this one and this one. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can unlock more actions. First of all, you need to go to Annie, and now she's at the Winter Utopia. You can go to her store, select store, and then you're going to select the friendship store. All right, and here you will be able to unlock emojis, emotes, and actions. Okay, and I'm going to choose Chuckle. Okay, you can purchase it, and then let's try it, guys. I'm going to try the Chuckle one. Okay guys, and that's how you can get solo actions in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.